Welcome to the Jordan Big Six. We will be talking about the Big Six, specifically about Nearpod. We talked about the portrait of a graduate during this year's YouTube, and we are going to be focusing this time on the engaged citizen. So this will be the engaged citizen on Nearpod. So in Nearpod, we have a new feature called Teacher Notes. And on the right-hand side, you can click on that little arrow and it expands and you get a new window that you can type your notes for each slide. This is really important if you're doing a presentation to the community, that you can then keep and stay on task with your notes while you're doing the presentation. You can also print out your notes that you can have in your hands. Next, I'd like to talk about student notes. Student's note isn't new, but is something that is not utilized. If you click on My Note, if the student clicks on My Notes in the presentation, it will then give them a choice to email it or go to their Google Drive. They click and select which one they want, and then the presentation will open up the note window. The minute they type in a note on that page, it will grab that slide from the presentation and the student can use it as a study guide. And that is the Big Six in 60 seconds. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.